Well, thanks for coming. How you doing? Wonderful. We're so excited to be here in Lancaster. With this new record, we're going to do a lot of songs from it tonight. This next one is one that I wrote called San Antonio. I spent a little time at the Alamo Mission with the Spanish and the dogs out on the street. I felt alright just sitting there wishing you might find yourself among the likes of these. When you arrive, come share the vision. Find a place to live outside of poverty. I guess you can try to be forgiving. Come shed the weight of the things you've seen. Whoa, the weight of what you've seen. Spanish crowds from the back of a mission in San Antonio, sleeping in a $15 room with a bed to spare. A child's eyes break water on a desert dry as a bone. Oh, San Antonio, San Antonio. Just might find whatever you're missing, a little bit of love in a place you ought to be. Water or wine, however you're living. Lights of the city, a river to the sea. Lights of the city, a river to the sea. San Antonio, sleeping in a $15 room with a bed to spare. A child's eyes break water on a desert dry as bone. Oh, San Antonio, San Antonio. Out on the street, holes in the shoes on his feet. If a saint walked by, you wouldn't even know his name. Love her or leave her, it's all the same. You got to go, my friend, and that's alright. But don't be surprised when she calls your name, asking you to stay another night. Whoa, one more night. Spanish crowds from the back of a mission in San Antonio, sleeping in a $15 room with some bread to spare. A child's eyes break water on a desert dry as a bone. Oh, San Antonio. Oh, San Antonio. San Antonio. San Antonio. Thank you.